Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can unsubscribe from the newsletter in the Bershka app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and the growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Bershka app. And here on the main page, you have to scroll down to the bottom, and here you can see subscribe to our newsletter. And if you see this last sentence, I would like to unsubscribe. You can tap on that. You just enter your email address. And tap on unsubscribe me. And you will receive a confirmation email soon. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.